Well, good day, folks. How y'all doing today? I hope you're having an awesome day. So as promised, I'm here with a closer look at that Grohmann pocket knife I picked up last week when I visited the Grohmann knife plant. And that is this fellow right here. And that is the Grohmann, and it's either the 36 OS or the 360S, I'm not sure, slimline pocket knife. And it's basically a single blade kind of dogleg jack. Has stag covers, and you can get it in various cover materials. I know they offer stag, ram's horn, rosewood, a different type of treated rosewood, and water buffalo horn. Now, I'm not sure if this particular knife comes in all of those cover varieties, but you know what? Let's pop over to their website and have a look. Okay, here we are at their website looking at their outdoor knives. Scrolling down. There's a two-blade version on the bottom right. Next page. There they are on the right. So from the picture, it just looks like rosewood and stag. Now the drop-down menu here didn't record for some reason, but that are the options right now, rosewood and stag. There's some information there if you'd like to read it. And so there we know, now rosewood and stag. So there we have it. There's all your options for your handle material. This one comes in 4110 European high carbon stainless. That's roughly equivalent to 440 in the North American market. It has nickel silver bolsters, nickel silver pins, stainless steel spring, you have a pretty traditional clip point blade with a nail nick. There is your tank stamp, Grohmann, Pictou, Nova Scotia, Canada, your stainless, and then your S, because this one is a factory second. So to indicate their knives are factory seconds, they engrave a little S on the blade, which I like because a lot of companies will grind that tank stamp right off. And then, you know, you got to figure out who made the knife if you were to buy it secondhand or something like that. So you know it's a Grohmann, but you also know that it's a factory second. Very nice snap on the open. Nice grind on the blade, nice and even. Comes sharp from the factory. And I haven't touched that blade up. A little strop would probably make it even better. And real nice snap to the close. Now, this is a factory second. Why is that? Well, transitions are good from the stag to the bolsters. No proud pins. Blade alignment is good. No gapping on the back spring. So why is this factory second? Well, so I'm sure you can see right there. There's a small gap on the bone cover. And I can't even really get a fingernail in there. I can feel it, but I can't catch it at all. And there was another slight little gap right there, even smaller. That one I can't get into at all either. So that's why that's a factory second. So I can live with that for 50% off. I'm not opposed to a deal. And you know what? I looked at quite a few of their factory seconds in this model, and a lot of them had nicer stag. Like it had deeper ridges, darker coloring, more contrast. But this one had the best action of the lot. And that's more important to me. I love a good looking knife, but I love a functional knife more. So, just really nice retention on the spring, nice snap on the open, nice snap on the close. The knife itself comes in at right about 3 3/4 inches. That would be about 9.5 millimeters. Your blade length is 1, 2, 3, about 1/8 shy of 3 inches. Your cutting surface, 2 5/8, or about 8.5 centimeters for your blade length, and a little over 6.5 centimeters for your cutting surface. So really, I've got no complaints about this. A couple little cosmetic issues that don't affect the function of the knife, and you really have to look close to find them. How does it compare to other knives? There's a Case Sawbuster Jr. Maybe 8.5 inches longer than the Sawbuster. Blade length is a touch longer on your Grohmann. Cutting surface are about the same. Maybe up to a Case 75. Maybe 1/2 inch, a little better shorter than your 75. Maybe quarter of an inch longer blade on your 75. Just a hair longer on the cutting surface. There's a excuse me, a medium Stockman. Again, maybe 1/8 of an inch longer. Blade length is about the same. Cutting surface a little longer on your Grohmann. So pretty much a standard size pocket knife. It's a full 4-finger grip for me, with your sweep down with your dog leg pattern. Fits nicely into the crease in the palm of your hand. Good feel in the hand. Your nice thick bone covers give you good purchase. It fills your hand, or at least your fingers, nicely. So I think a dandy little pocket knife. I like it. I really like it for 50% off. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this look. And if you're interested in the knife, go check out the Grohmann website. You can do custom orders much like you can with a buck knife. Anyway, folks, that'll be it for today. You know what I always say, life's getting you down, kids are driving you nuts, you had a hard day at work, go for a walk in the woods. Go hang out with the trees. Go play in the snow. Go look for some animals. Go find some animal tracks, see if you can see what they are. But take a knife with you. Might just come in handy. Y'all take care.